Well, good evening, YouTube. Man, that wind has been brutal the last couple days. Brutal. I'm so thankful that I had some weight in my trailer today, because if not, I would have been like those folks yesterday that got blown over. But hopefully it dies down tomorrow. I'm out of steak. I had my last steak last night, steak and eggs. So I guess I gotta eat at the truck stop tonight. Let's go. I keep spare food in here just in case of an emergency. I've been shut down on them freeways, but anyways, gonna run in here and see what hopefully I can make a healthy choice. I've really felt good on this carnivore. I haven't really had any carbs since probably since them Ritz crackers and the chili the other day. Other than that, I haven't really had much. So, but I feel like my stomach is shrinking. I like that, and I like the way I feel. Not so always yawny, tired, and everything like that. So it's helped. It's definitely helped not to be eating candy bars and energy drinks and everything like that. And I don't even think about the energy drinks. Sometimes I think about the candy bars and the goodies and stuff, but mostly just regular food, like a big fat cheeseburger, you know, or something like that. But I do love my steak. It never gets old. Anyways, okay, well, I'll show you what we end up with. So I've been doing my daily dues. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll put it on the screen so you just know what they are and what the punishments are and everything like that. But today I've just been doing a lot of running to the offices and the places that I'm going. Just, well, I guess I should say a jog. But I noticed that I'm getting my wind back a lot quicker from those. So here, I'll show you what we got for dinner then. Okay, so I went with chicken wings. I figured that was about probably my healthiest choice in there. That's probably not true. I guess that's what I wanted, but I just was craving meat. Gotta get on that carnivore. Next time I'll bring a couple extra steaks, because it's better I just take them home than not have more stuff. So, but I shouldn't have a problem next week. I should have plenty of food. Okay, it's the boy's birthday, and we'll be celebrating that with some roast.